Okay guys, I'm going to I'm waiting for the other painting to dry. You'll see that later. But I'm going to make some I'm not sure if you can see how pretty this is, but I'm gonna make some prints, and today's giveaway day. So I'm looking how it's gonna look under the camera, and I'm gonna make some prints to give to you guys. So this time I'm not using the fluid colors, but I'm using the thicker paint. So we're gonna put that on first. Of course I need some dark turquoise. I just love how gold looks with turquoise. It's so pretty. Maybe a little bit of green. And we're gonna give that a nice little press like that, and then it's gonna open up. Now that by itself is kind of cute, and what I like is those raised little edges. They are really nice. But then I'm gonna add, of course, the gold, and we're gonna press it down again, and that's not enough, so we're gonna press it up. Looking a bit better, but not what I was looking for. That is kind of nice. So I'm gonna take some pictures, and you'll see them right now. Okay, the next one, and this time I'm gonna do other colors because not everyone likes all the turquoisey. So we're gonna do some brown, and we're gonna put some yellow on top of that, and something to make it pop. Well, first we'll do this. Yeah, not so pretty. Not so pretty. This looks like a poopy diaper. Yeah, this is one of the diapers that you don't want to come across, right? But we'll just give it a little bit of turquoisey. See if that makes a difference. Not that much. It's still a poopy diaper. Ooh, that's pretty. That's making it different. Now I kind of like that. Now all I miss is the gold. So we have to push some of that paint out. It's too much paint. That's kind of nice. I think I can make something nice out of that. And this is what I made out of it. Now, of course, this is something you want to do at the end of the day when you got everything covered in all kinds of depressing paint. And you have to do a big cleanup anyway, so that's going to work out fine. I'm getting these really nice colors. I think that's kind of what we're looking for. Everything's covered in paints, as you can see. Squishing some out. Not really that impressed. So let's put some dark in. It's already stuck again. There it is. Open it. That's kind of fun. Let's see if we torch it, because there's some paints that have silicone, like I said 100 times. And that's going to give us just a little bit of a different sort of effect, as you can see here. and I'll give you what I did right now.